What's up everybody, this is Chris from Snore Less Now. Today we're bringing you a sleep-inducing, melatonin-producing tart cherry smoothie recipe. This is just one of several sleep smoothie recipes that we have included in our smoothie recipe ebook that will be given exclusively to Snore Less Now email subscribers. So if you haven't done it already, head on over to www.snorelessnow.com so you can join that VIP list along with 9,000 others who will be getting this recipe guide. Without further ado, let's make that smoothie. This is what you're going to need for your tart cherry smoothie. First, 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of mangoes, 1 cup of tart cherries, 1 handful of spinach, and 2 cups of coconut water. Lastly, we'll blend until smooth. And there you have it. Your tart cherry smoothie. Cheers to a good night's sleep.